Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of being broke? Wondering why no matter how much you earn, your bank account never grows? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes that keep people stuck in a cycle of financial struggle, and how to escape it for good. Stick around, because mistake number 5 is one that almost everyone makes. Let's dive in. Many people struggle financially, not because they don't earn enough, but because they make critical mistakes that keep them broke. Financial success is not just about making money, it's about managing it wisely, avoiding pitfalls, and making informed decisions. In this article, we will explore 5 common mistakes that prevent people from building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Mistake number 1. Living beyond your means. One of the most common reasons people remain broke is overspending. Lifestyle inflation, where your expenses increase as your income rises, keeps many trapped in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living. Signs you're living beyond your means. You struggle to save money each month. You rely on credit cards for daily expenses. Your debt keeps growing instead of decreasing. You spend more than 30% of your income on non-essentials. How to fix it? Create a budget. Track your income and expenses and ensure you're not spending more than you earn. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify subscriptions, dining out, and impulse purchases that can be reduced. Adopt the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. Mistake number 2. Ignoring investments. Many people avoid investing due to fear, lack of knowledge, or the misconception that it requires a large sum of money. However, keeping all your money in a savings account means losing value over time due to inflation. Common investment myths. Investing is only for the rich. The stock market is too risky. I don't have time to learn about investments. How to start investing? Educate yourself. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. Start small. Begin with as little as $100 and grow your portfolio over time. Diversify your portfolio. Reduce risk by investing in multiple asset classes. Take advantage of employer retirement plans. Contribute to 401k or IRA accounts if available. Mistake number 3. Relying on a single income stream. Depending on one source of income, especially a job, puts you at financial risk. Job loss, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses can leave you struggling. Why you need multiple income streams. Protects against job loss. Increases overall wealth potential. Helps build passive income over time. Ways to diversify your income. Start a side hustle, freelancing, consulting, or selling products online. Invest in real estate. Rental properties can provide steady passive income. Build an online business. Blogging, YouTube, or e-commerce can generate extra earnings. Invest in dividend stocks. Earn passive income through dividend-paying stocks. Mistake number 4. Poor debt management. Debt itself is not necessarily bad, but mismanaging it can trap you in financial hardship. High-interest credit card debt, payday loans, and excessive car loans can drain your income and keep you broke. Signs of poor debt management. You only make minimum payments on credit cards. You take out loans to pay other loans. Your debt-to-income ratio is too high. How to get out of debt? Use the snowball or avalanche method. Pay off debts strategically by focusing on the smallest balance first, snowball, or the highest interest first, avalanche. Avoid high-interest debt. Minimize credit card usage and payday loans. Negotiate interest rates. Call creditors and ask for lower rates. Increase debt payments. Allocate extra income to paying off debt faster. Mistake number 5. Lack of financial education. Many people remain broke because they don't take the time to educate themselves about money management. Schools often don't teach financial literacy, leaving individuals unprepared for real-world financial decisions. The impact of financial ignorance. People fall for financial scams. Lack of knowledge leads to poor money decisions. Many don't take advantage of tax benefits or investment opportunities. How to improve financial knowledge. Read books on finance. Some great reads include Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. Follow financial experts. Learn from reputable sources like podcasts, YouTube channels, and blogs. Take online courses. Many free and paid courses teach budgeting, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Consult a financial advisor. Get personalized advice for better money management. Financial success isn't about how much you earn but how well you manage what you have. By avoiding these 5 mistakes, living beyond your means, ignoring investments, relying on a single income, mismanaging debt, and lacking financial education, you can build a strong financial future. Take control of your finances today, make informed decisions, and work towards financial independence. Now that you know these 5 money mistakes, which one are you guilty of? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, thumbs up, hit subscribe for more financial tips, and turn on the notification bellhop bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Make smart choices, take control, and start building wealth today. See you in the next video.